You are ready to buy a house but do not know what you are looking for. You have already dreamed about this place, the color of the rooms, and visualize how your home will come along. But before that dream becomes reality, one crucial step is to define your home preferences. Do you want to be lost in a sea of options and indecision, or do you want clarity and focus on finding the home that perfectly fits your needs and dreams? This video is your roadmap to define your home preferences. I will break it down step by step from location and budget to must-have features and hidden gems. Welcome back. I'm Sylvie Abasso, your local real estate agent in Texas. Our channel provides all the information you need to navigate the real estate market. Also, I give some tours of lovely places you can try out when you visit or move to Fort Worth, Texas. Today, we will discuss the crucial step of the home buying process. Define your preferences for your future home. 1. The location. This is not just a real estate cliche. Location is a key consideration when buying a home. Think about the proximity to schools, shops, public transportation, and workplaces. Also, consider the environment you want to live in, whether in a city, countryside, or suburbs. I have a pro tip. Check online tools like walkability scores and noise map. Consider all these aspects to define your location preferences. They all affect your daily happiness. 2. Property type. Are you looking for a single-family house, a duplex, a condo, or a penthouse? You got my point. Start by creating a list of your essential requirements. How many bedrooms and bathrooms do you need? Do you require a home office or a guest rooms? What about the size of the yard or garage? Take time to think about what is genuinely important to you and write it down. 3. Your budget. Money matters in the home buying process. Before you fall in love with that house with the pool and golf course, figure out how much you can afford. This is not only the mortgage payment. Think about the maintenance and the renovation, if any. Watch this video to find the best lender to get your numbers in order. 4. Make a list of your needs. Not every house has a pool and a walk-in closet, but some things are non-negotiable. Start by creating a list of your essential requirements. For example, you need a home office and a guest room. How about the square footage of the house and the lot? You also need a 9-foot ceiling, at least 4 beds and 2 bathrooms. It is your call. List what is your deal breaker. 5. Consider your wants. Besides your needs, it is also important to consider your wish list. What would make your home ideal? Maybe you dream of a model kitchen with a granite countertop, a swimming pool, or a breathtaking view of nature. Write down anything you would like to have, even if it's just a wish. This will help you clearly understand what you are looking for. Once you have defined your preferences, searching for homes that align with your criteria will be easier. This action will save you time and allow you to focus on properties that suit you. Defining preferences is an ongoing process. As buyers explore options and learn more about the market, their priority might evolve. Remember to stay flexible and open to possibility. You may need to make a few compromises, but by keeping your preferences in mind, you can find the perfect home. Each buyer priorities will vary based on their specific needs, life stage, and available resources. That's it for this step. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments and subscribe to our channel to avoid missing steps in this exciting home buying process. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.